My name is Edison Duquino. Diamond supermarket case. Main characters of the case. Character 1. The interpreter, Joaquin, age 5 years old. Joaquin give Maria Duque, who graduated and secretary from and technical development center. Osvaldo Felipe Rodrigo and Juan Sebastián, they stock the Charlotte and Unland to food. Charter 2. Sofia, 24 years old, in 18 on biotechnology of agronomy 1 and emphasis. Pedro, he is 29 years old and arts and technical bachelor degree. Main problems. Problem 1. Why in the arrival of foreigners to the municipality of greater variety on food products is required. More attractive, relief, variable, quality, product, wine, affordable, price from to supermarkets. High gift imbalance. Problem 2. Evading monetary payments of ARL, APS, and AFP, the grand amounts from the surprise to the daily days in the payment of invoice and financial liquidity for the product rotation system.